Hello everyone, today we're going to take a look at a car I've been looking for a long time. This was a really important car that Hot Wheels made 15 years ago in 2006. It has 2006 written up there in the top corner. It was a 2006 first edition. It has a special feature that we're going to get to in a moment, something that I don't know has ever happened before in a mainline car made by Hot Wheels. I was not collecting 15 years ago, so this is the first time I've ever had a chance to hold this one. Now, the book price on this car is about $15. That's what it was marked here. However, the seller said make an offer and then offered $7 before I made an offer. I will note before I open it that there is a version of this car where the front grille is painted black. If you have that one, it would be worth about twice as much, and I probably wouldn't be opening it then. So, like I said, I've been looking forward to this one for a while, so we are going to crack this one open. It was short printed, short produced, so they did not, these were in cases about as much as a treasure hunt. It's about one per case, so it was tough to come by on the pegs back then. This is also one of the heaviest models that I have ever seen. You may have heard of what Hot Wheels fans call the four-piece rule, where every Hot Wheel, especially these days, is typically made with four pieces. If you don't include the wheels and the axles, you've got the piece on the bottom, you've got the piece on the top, you've got the glass piece, and then you have another piece that makes the interior. If you look in there, it's I can kind of see the tan steering wheel. There are the seats that are in there. So most Hot Wheels have four pieces, and especially these days, most Hot Wheels only have one of those four pieces made out of metal, usually the top or the bottom. This one has both the top and the bottom made out of metal. You'd probably never see that in a 2021 car, but they probably lost money on each time they produced one of these if it only sold for $1. But the buzz that they created was pretty interesting. Now, this one has a fifth metal piece right here, and I guess it would be a sixth piece also because there is an opening back door to it, and the back door has its own piece of glass on it. But the real specialty to this is coming up here in just a moment. They made these for a while, and over time they made it where the back door was sealed and would not open it up anymore. I do have a couple of those that they made more recently, but this is where it gets special. You open the back door and there's something in there. There is a metal motorcycle inside the back end of the truck, and it's kind of made so that it just kind of leans in there. It doesn't come out easily. I've heard that it is possible to get it out. I'm not quite sure how to do that, but it stays in there pretty good. I'm checking it around and it's not coming out. So I'm not aware of any other Hot Wheel that has a piece like this where there's actually another component on the inside, so we've got even more metal. This is one of the heaviest, perhaps the heaviest mainline car that they have ever produced. And I mentioned a moment ago how they eventually made it without the opening back hood. Of course, if it doesn't have an opening hood, they're not going to have a motorcycle in there either. But they even made this car for a while with the opening hood, but without something that comes out of it. So that was probably a bummer when they started to do that. It has been released several more times, but only in the premium lines. And my personal favorite, I don't have this, but one year for the Christmas holiday car, instead of a motorcycle that comes out the back, it was I think Santa's sleigh, or a snow sled that came out of the back. So there you go. The 55 Chevy Panel van. couple of times they released this as a 56, but here on the bottom it says 55 Chevy. Right there, made in Malaysia. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. Well, before I go, I thought I might as well show the back of it here. We've got a fun fact. The 55 Chevy Panel truck is one of the two 2006 first editions model that will be produced in lower than normal quantities. There is a good chance this could be a collector's item. Now, they say there's two. I don't know which the other one is, but it wouldn't surprise me if it was this Volkswagen Carmen Ghia, which had a... the Carmen Ghia was made back in the day when the engine was in the trunk instead of the hood, and so the Carmen Ghia Volkswagen Hot Wheel had an not only an opening, I think it was a completely removable hood or trunk, so you could see the engine in the back. So I thought I'd just show off the back piece here. And while I'm at it, there's the Matchbox banana car. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.